Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Autopay on Wells Fargo. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Autopay on your Wells Fargo account, start by opening your preferred web browser. Visit the Wells Fargo homepage at www.wellsfargo.com. Log into your online banking account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the Pay and Transfer tab in the main menu. Click on Bill Pay from the drop-down options. Next, look for the Manage Autopay section within the Bill Pay page. Select the option to set up Autopay. You will now see a list of your eligible accounts. Choose the account you wish to set up for Autopay. Specify the payment amount you want to set for automatic payments. Select the payment frequency that suits your needs, such as weekly, monthly, or bi-weekly. Enter the start date for your Autopay. Review your payment details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Continue button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that Autopay has been successfully activated. Your Autopay settings can be modified at any time by revisiting the same Manage Autopay section. Make sure to check your account regularly to ensure payments are processing as intended. That's it. You've successfully activated Autopay on your Wells Fargo account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.